Hi, here comes Christmas holiday again. How are you going to spend it? Heavy snow outside the window. It might be good to stay at home and watch drama every day. Here comes the problem. No episodes to follow or catch up with. What should you do? Do you know? Due to geographical restrictions, Netflix film sources will be very different. For example, there are 500 more movies in the UK than in the US. For example, in Spain, you can search for the Christmas comedy Just Another Christmas, but if you are in the United States, you just cannot. And so, unlock regional restrictions, we can watch more new dramas. So today I will show you how to switch to any region for watching Netflix new dramas and review which country is most cost-effective for Netflix. At the same time, I've also included a Christmas viewing guide at the end of this video. I've already listed the time spans for different topics. If you are interested in certain part, just click that part to start watching directly. First, how to unlock the film source restrictions of Netflix. First step is to unlock the regional film source limit. Here you need to use VPN for cross-region unlocking. However, not all VPNs can be used for unblocking. Because Netflix prohibits agents from viewing across regions. It means even if you use a VPN to switch to the UK, Netflix will still pop up the prompt to use proxy. So here is a VPN for everyone. VPN Proxy Master. Have a dedicated Netflix node. How to download it? Log into App Store or Google Play, search VPN Proxy Master, download and use, or click the link in the description below the avatar. Adapt and download your corresponding version. After the download is complete, open the app. Click here to select a special server. Get it done. Exclusive unlocking nodes. Undisturbed. In this way, you can switch to any region and do not miss out on any new Netflix series. And for fluency, also full marks. Secondly, where to get the cheapest Netflix? After talking about the movie sources, many people are concerned about Netflix price because we know Netflix rarely has discount. And so, how can I subscribe to Netflix at a lower price? Here is a tip for you. Also use VPN Proxy Master. Switch region to Colombia. Affected by exchange rate, you can start Netflix subscription for less money. Isn't it a good deal? Finally, here are the must-see movies and dramas for Christmas season. First of all, Netted Snow. This is a Christmas comedy full of useful love. A small town on Christmas Eve. A blizzard gathered a group of young people and love stories happened to them. The second one is Dash and Lily, adapted from the New York Times best-selling novel of the same name. The protagonists are two New Yorkers, the cynical Dash and the optimistic Lily. Dreams and desires in notebooks passed back and forth across New York City formed a whirlwind holiday romance. The third, it is called Jingle Jangle. Jingle Jangle, A Christmas Journey, a parent-child adventure movie. The story takes place in the vibrant town of Compton, a fictional world with a peculiar toy maker. The holiday story of his adventurous granddaughter and the magical invention that can change his life forever comes to life. The movie also tells us, do believe in the power of family. And remember, as long as you are sincere, everything is possible. In addition to the above movies, there are also great dramas, TV series not to be missed. An unusual group of robbers attempt to carry out the most perfect heist in Spanish history via Money Heist. And a family story in a small German town, dark with supernatural distortions. And full of drive, it tells about how an orphan suffering from sedative addiction becomes a champion chess player. The Queen's Gambit is particularly worth watching. Alright, all the movies are placed in the description column below. Remember to click to watch. Come pick a movie or series you want to watch. Spend this very Merry Christmas with your family.